Hello, and welcome to the tutorial video of MyStudyPlanning, the platform where you can choose your electives and upload your course plan. Start by going to mystudyplanning.tudelft.nl, choosing Aerospace Engineering, and signing in with your NetID. This is the course selection page. Here you can find all common courses, track core courses, and profile courses that belong to your selected profile. If you scroll down, you can see a list of preferred electives. At the bottom of the page, there is a counter that says how many more ECTS you have to select in order to reach the minimum requirement of 120 ECTS. Below the electives, there is a list of Personal and Professional Development courses, or PPDs for short. You can also add your own PPD courses, which must be approved by your coordinator. The total amount of ECTS of PPD courses must reach a minimum of 4 ECTS, as is shown on the counter. Finally, you can also add your own elective courses, which must also be approved by your coordinator. In this example, we will select the needed amount of ECTS from the preferred courses. After having selected enough courses, you can review your selection and send it for approval by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the Review and Submit button. After clicking this, you will be taken to a review page where you can review all your choices and confirm them at the bottom of the page. Thank you for listening, and good luck with your further application.